Hello, my name is Henry, and I'm going to walk you through my trade today on Ethereum. So we'll open up here with the chart. We'll back up for scale. So here, this purple line here, this is actually an entry. Here are also some other entries down here, but this was my initial entry. But what you may not be able to see that well is there is a purple line, a price line that is right here at this level. This is the Camarilla pivot S4. So, and this general area in this time frame, this is at the U.S. Open today. So you can see here we have the candlesticks. I'll give you my chart layout. Candlesticks. We got a volume profile right here, and this is a momentum indicator. So my signal to go short is if any currency goes below S4. So we can see here at around 9:45, Ethereum broke the price level here at S4. I took an entry here at 9:45 and put my stop right above this wick here in this isolated pivot. It's right there. So I continue to watch it, and we'll zoom out for scale. Continue to break down and then put in this flag, this bear flag type pattern. And we can see here it consolidated for quite a while. And we'll zoom in and take a look at some additional entries. I took an initial small size into this position. This is the first time I've actually started implementing my system here. Just wanted to fill it out, and this first entry worked out well. We have some consolidating, since I'm selling this price action, even though it looks choppy and is consolidated. My idea is this is distribution in preparation to move the price lower. So I take another entry here. Let's see, at around about 9:25. Still consolidating. Take another entry here about 9:45, and then I take one last entry here. It looks like about 10:26, and it is gradually just selling off. You can see here it's putting in lower and lower highs. Here, this entry, this entry around 10:30 or 10:24. I actually got stopped out of this entry right here in this candle. What is this? About 11:42, 11:43. But then as the currency began to sell off some more, I found another entry opportunity right here. Let's see, right here at 11:50. Took another entry. Put my stop up here over this. This wick or this doji pattern. So we'll back out for scale again. You can see after this entry, or after this may have been sweeping, just clearing out any weak-handed traders or anything in here, and testing my initial price here at my entry price here at S4. So I take this last entry, or I re-enter this last position right here, and we can see we get a nice cascade breakdown, and we can see the increased volume as this move goes, and we can see the sellers have gained momentum to take the price a level lower. This orange or this yellow line, this is just to help me indicate a high volume profile. It doesn't indicate a price area on this chart, but you can see here there's quite a lot of consolidation in this area as they were moving the price from this upper level up here near S4 down to this lower level. And this may be more distribution or taking profits, and you can see we again leg down, and we've been flagging here all the way up until this time. If we can see here, this is the crypto market open that's happening. This started right here, and we can see into today we're already selling off some more. So this is my trade today on Ethereum. Thanks for checking out my trade. See you next time.